Hey everyone, Christian Rodino here with Wildwood Heritage Glen. Today we have the opportunity to check out the 34RL or rear living. Now this is in our fifth wheel series, but it's going to be the Elite series. What might be the difference, you might ask? A couple things we can point out here from the start. We do have solid surface countertops in this coach. We're gonna get a 55-inch TV included for your benefit there. And then a couple other features we'll point out in a little bit here. But here in the rear living portion, I want to focus on a couple furniture pieces here. First off, we have our theater seating directly across the entertainment. Now with the entertainment, like I was saying, we get a 55-inch TV included, a sound bar that's going to be USB, HDMI, Bluetooth, AM, FM. We do have our nice updated 2023 mirror-fronted electric fireplace. That electric fireplace is gonna act as almost a space heater on a cool night. That way you can warm up this area and not have to burn propane. Now this is more of a couples coach styled camper, but if you need some additional sleeping, we have our tri-fold sleeper sofa here. Now it might be hard to see right now because our awesome modern cloth roller shades are down, but this coach specifically is going to have a huge panoramic view of your campsite here. It's going to be paired with our windows that are all tinted and all open. The modern cloth roller shades, as you can see, block out these windows really well, but they also have a white backer to reflect light on a very sunny day. That's going to help it keep it cooler in here, help out your furniture as well. You will notice we do the side valances as well as the above valances, so once again, just helping you block out light, keeping it a little cooler in here. As you can see in the kitchen, we do have this huge island, tons of countertop space. Because it is an Elite series, we will get a larger oven, a more residential, larger stovetop, and a larger microwave as well. In the kitchen, we have tons of additional storage with an extra large pantry. And then in this coach, we're gonna get a 20 cubic foot refrigerator. Now this is going to be 110, so it's gonna run off of a 1200 watt inverter. More additional storage countertop here. Maybe if you're a coffee person, you want to bring a Keurig along, great place to put that Keurig. This coach has a freestanding dinette, gives you that little bit of residential feeling when you're looking here to sit down instead of just eating at the couch. I do want to point out this is completely carpetless for 2023. It's a new upgrade for us. We've got that vinyl flooring on the slide out instead of the carpet. We've gone away from that. Makes it easier if you do like bringing pets along, very pet friendly, easy to clean. As we make our way to the front here, we do have our free floating steps, our barreled best-in-class ceiling to give us that nice residential height. In the bathroom here, this is a beautiful double sink, kind of a his and hers type deal. That way we're not bumping into each other. Each person has their own countertop, own sink, own mirror to get ready. It is a walk-in shower with a porcelain foot flush toilet as well. A huge feature for the Elite series is this bed on a slide is going to be a true king. So it is not a custom king in this. This is a residential true king. As you can see, we have our second AC in here. On a hotter day, you're gonna keep it nice and cool in here. And then we have our beautiful residential barn doors for our closet, and then washer dryer prep right on the inside. Now that washer dryer prep is gonna give us the ability to do a stackable washer dryer instead of a 2-in-1 if you would rather not do that. Now because this is an Elite series, once again, you're gonna get Elite features, a king bed, and as you can see here, that LTE king range extender is installed already for you. In the front, I once again point out completely carpetless on the flooring here, and then you get a 6.5 foot to the center here for your ceiling height. So now I am a shorter individual, but if you are a larger individual, it's gonna give you a lot of comfortability, a lot of space. It's a true king, but look at all the room to walk around it. It still feels so open in here. Now that was a quick look on the inside of the 34RL. Let's go take a look on the outside. Now that we're on the outside of the 34RL, I want to point out some features for your benefit here. First off is the front cap. So it's going to be a full profile two-tone automotive grade front cap. So with that two-tone automotive grade, it's going to hold up with sun, heat, a lot longer than if it were to be dyed. It's going to give us a longer lifespan on that coach, a better look, and it's going to make those folks around you a little jealous that you have a Heritage Glen. As we walk further back into the coach, you will see we have the extra large pass-through storage here with the slam latch doors on all our baggage doors here. I do want to point out this specific coach is upgraded to that 200-watt solar panel. You will see with that 200-watt solar, you're going to get a 30-amp charge controller, and you can increase that 200-watt if you so desire. Now, because this is an Elite series, once again, we're going to get Elite features. This comes included with a water filtration system, a little bit more storage underneath than you might see in a typical Heritage Glen fifth wheel. And then you get a huge awning that runs the majority of your coach. As we walk towards the door here, you will see the Moride step above steps. Now, once again, I know I'm beating this in here, but the steps are going to be Elite because they have strut assist. So a little benefit here, it's an Elite series, so we want to provide a more features, more eliteness to this coach. It does have our extra large grab handle, extra wide 30-inch entry door, makes getting in and out comfortable and easy. The last thing to point out here that's visually that you can see from the side is going to be our tires. We are now running Wildwood Heritage Glens with Goodyear Endurance tires. That's one thing that we hear customers, and we want to make adjustments for you, that we hear a lot of folks are upgrading their wheels, and moving to that Goodyear Endurance tire is something that we're really excited about. Last two things to point out that you can't visually see from the start, but underneath we are completely enclosed underbelly and have 12-volt heating pad tanks as well. That's just a little look on the outside of the 34RL. Thanks for joining us today on the 34RL tour. If you would like a little bit more information on this specific model, or maybe another floor plan Heritage Glen has to offer, you can visit our website at ForestRiverInc.com/Wildwood Heritage Glen. Thanks for joining us. We look forward to seeing you soon again on the next video.